I'm attorney Jonathan Blecher, a criminal defense attorney specializing in drunk driving cases and based here in Miami, Florida. People ask what the penalties are for DUI in Florida. There are 4 levels of DUI in the state, and each of them carries specific penalties that the court must impose if you're convicted. For a first offense, there's a minimum fine of $500 plus court costs. Surcharges adds up to over $1,100 for a first offense. You're placed on 6 to 9 months reporting probation, suffer through a 6-month suspension of your driver's license, 50 hours of community service, completion of a 12-hour alcohol and substance abuse program, and counseling if they think you need it, a 2-hour session of a MAD victim impact panel, and a 10-day immobilization of your car. A lot of people ask, well, what about the immobilization, and what's all that about? The 10-day vehicle immobilization takes place at the end of your probation unless it's waived by the judge. A private company comes out and installs a club or a boot on your car, and they park the car in front of your house. You pay about $100 for the service. There's consequences that extend even beyond the minimum penalties for a DUI. Any person who gets convicted of DUI will have that on their record for life. It can never be removed. There's insurance premiums that will increase as a result of a DUI conviction. If they believe that you have a drinking problem, you may be required to attend alcohol education sessions, therapy sessions beyond the 12-hour substance abuse classes. For multiple DUI convictions, the penalties are more serious. A second offense carries a 5-year suspension of your driver's license and a mandatory 10-day jail sentence, up to 9 months for a second conviction within 5 years. An ignition interlock device will be placed on your car. There are even more serious penalties for a third offense DUI. The Florida legislature changed third offense from a misdemeanor to a felony. That provides for a maximum penalty of 5 years in state prison. For over 30 years and more than 3,000 cases, I've defended otherwise good people charged with DUI and other serious crimes. I'm attorney Jonathan Blecher.